Heat from Earth's interior is the major source of energy for the movement of Earth's outer shell. Scientists have determined that Earth's interior is divided into 4 major layers. At Earth's center is the inner core, a solid iron-rich sphere having a diameter of 2,432 kilometers. Surrounding the inner core is the outer core, a fluid metallic layer some 2,270 kilometers thick. Earth's magnetic field is thought to be generated by vigorous churning of the iron-rich material in the hot, fluid outer core. Beyond the outer core is the mantle, a solid, rocky layer having a thickness of about 2,885 kilometers. Over 82% of Earth's volume is contained within the mantle. The outermost layer is the crust, a very thin outer skin that ranges from about 7 to more than 70 kilometers thick. Earth's crust is further divided into continental crust and oceanic crust. In most regions, the continental crust is about 35 kilometers thick, but it may exceed 70 kilometers in areas of prominent mountains. The continental crust consists of many types of rocks. One of the most common in the upper crust is the igneous rock granite. Compared to continental crust, oceanic crust is quite thin, averaging only 7 kilometers in thickness. In addition, the oceanic crust is very uniform in composition, being mainly composed of the dark igneous rock basalt. On average, continental rocks are less dense than oceanic rocks, which partially explains the lower position of the ocean floor compared to the continents. In addition to Earth's 4 major layers, scientists have identified 2 other divisions of Earth's interior, the asthenosphere and the lithosphere. The asthenosphere is located within the upper mantle, between the depths of 100 to 660 kilometers, and is composed of hot rocky material that is capable of very slow movement. Situated above the asthenosphere is a zone called the lithosphere. The lithosphere includes the uppermost mantle and overlying crust and behaves as a strong, rigid layer. In contrast to the hot, weak zone below, the lithosphere is strong because it is composed of comparatively cool rocks. Geologists have discovered that the weak rock within the asthenosphere allows Earth's rigid outer shell to move. Label the major layers of Earth. Which of Earth's major divisions is the Which region is Label this diagram.
Although the continents are only scattered masses on a planet that is largely covered by water, most people view them as the most prominent of Earth's features. Geologically, continents can be divided into 3 major regions: shields, stable platforms, and mountain belts. Shields are large, relatively flat expanses of ancient metamorphic rock within the continental interior. The stable continental platforms consist of thick sequences of sedimentary strata that overlay thick sections of stable continental crust. Most people are inspired more by Earth's mountains than any other landform. The rocks comprising mountains provide striking visual evidence of enormous compressional forces that have deformed large sections of the crust. As we can see, most mountain chains form along the margins of the continents. Can you identify these major mountain chains? Innumerable other landforms and geologic features exist on Earth's landmasses. These include deserts, rivers, plateaus, and volcanoes.